I'm going to show you 5 Wes Anderson style fonts you can use right now in Kittl, which you can try for free using the link in the description. From these Wes Anderson movie posters, it's easy to see that they take great care in choosing the typography to signify the emotion and theme of the movie. So let's kick things off with Brookfield, and you can see here we have a similar setup to the Grand Budapest Hotel poster. Brookfield is a bold and condensed serif font with rectangular letters and comes as an uppercase only font, making it perfect for headlines or titles. It comes with a variable width setting, allowing for a variety of different looks for different applications, and as you can see, it's pretty similar to the movie poster. You can use Brookfield exclusively in Kittl. Next, we have HT Modern Hand Slab, which is a semi-wide slab serif typeface. It has slightly rounded and tapered serifs, giving it a warm and friendly appearance. There is little contrast in stroke weight, making it a good choice for small text on posters, flyers, or packaging, and this is similar to a typeface that is used throughout the Grand Budapest Hotel, but most notably for the list of cast members on the movie poster itself. Next, we have Figtree, a geometric sans-serif style font that has letter forms based on simple geometric shapes, which most notably shows in the circular O shapes. This is a versatile font that offers great legibility for body text in its thinner weights, yet packs some punch in its thicker weights, especially when used in uppercase. The inspiration here comes from Royal Tenenbaums, which is a 1970s New York style film, and this particular typeface is very reminiscent of that era. Other examples you might know of are Futura by Paul Renner and Avant-Garde by Herb Laban. Moonrise Kingdom features an elegant and romantic style script for which we've chosen Pinyon script to represent this Wes Anderson style. It uses a high stroke contrast and is very slanted, making it most suitable for use at larger sizes, like titles. This style of type underlines the whimsical and nostalgic graphic design in the movie, and the original typeface used in the movie was designed by Jessica Hische, a phenomenal letterer and calligrapher whom we all admire here at Kittl. Lastly, but certainly not least, we're suggesting the Bungee font to represent the popular Asteroid City poster you might have recently seen. This is a sans-serif display font, uppercase only, and features a consistent thickness and weight, making it ideal for signage, poster design, or headline use. This font was inspired by urban signage of mid-century America, which is the period that Asteroid City is set in. Using Kittl's text decorations, we can easily add the characteristic block shadow shading used in the movie title design, as well as billboards, storefronts, signs, and other props throughout the movie. So there are 5 Wes Anderson style fonts that you can use right now in Kittl, so go ahead and sign up using the link down in the description to access these fonts and start designing. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.